Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of open-source robotics with PAROL6, a high-performance 3D-printed desktop robotic arm. It's seriously impressive.
I've heard whispers about this. So what makes PAROL6 stand out from other desktop robotic arms?
Well, it's designed to mimic industrial robots, right down to the mechanical design, control software, and even the user interface. Think professional-grade features, but in a desktop-friendly package. And the best part? It's all open source.
Open source? That's huge. What does that mean for users?
It means complete transparency and community involvement. The control software, the GUI, even the STL files for 3D printing are all freely available on GitHub. You can build your own PAROL6, modify the software, and contribute to its development. It's a fantastic opportunity for learning and customization.
That's incredibly empowering for hobbyists and educators. But is it really as easy as it sounds? Building a robot from scratch seems daunting.
That's a great point. The documentation is quite comprehensive, though. They have a detailed manual, step-by-step building instructions, and even a dedicated Discord community for support. It's not a walk in the park, but definitely achievable with some dedication.
I see. So what about the software? Is it user-friendly?
The PAROL6 Commander software is also open source and designed for ease of use. They have a graphical user interface, GUI, that simplifies control and programming. Plus, the documentation covers the API, so advanced users can delve into custom programming.
That's impressive. What about the hardware itself? What are its capabilities?
It's a 6-axis robot arm, offering a wide range of motion. The specifications are detailed in the documentation, including reach, payload capacity, and precision. It's designed for a variety of applications, from educational projects to small-scale automation tasks. They even mention support for peripherals like grippers and pneumatics.
Sounds amazing. But I'm curious about the licensing. What are the terms?
Yes. Everything, the code, the building instructions, the STL files, is under the GPL v3 license. This ensures that the project remains open and collaborative. It's a really community-focused project.
One last question. What about safety? Building and using a robot arm sounds potentially risky.
Absolutely. Safety is addressed in the documentation. They emphasize responsible use and provide guidelines to prevent accidents. Source Robotics, however, explicitly states they are not liable for any damages resulting from misuse. It's crucial to follow the instructions carefully.
Good point. Well, this sounds like a fantastic project. Thanks for the overview.
My pleasure. PAROL6 is a truly exciting development in the open-source robotics community, and I encourage everyone to check it out. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.